Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Selkirk Sport SLK Pickleball Paddle Set. The Selkirk Sport SLK Pickleball Paddle Set of 2 offers a high-quality introduction to the sport, designed for players of all skill levels. The SLK Neo 2.0 paddles feature a lightweight 7.5-ounce graphite face combined with a 13mm SX4 polymer honeycomb core, providing a balanced mix of control and power. The SpinFlex textured surface enhances spin consistency and ball control, making it easier to execute precise shots. The 4.25-inch grip circumference and 5.25 length are designed for comfort, reducing hand fatigue during extended play. These paddles are USAP approved, ensuring they meet official standards for tournament play. For those seeking a complete starter kit, the SLK Neo Lightweight Graphite Paddle Set includes 2 paddles, for SLK Hybrid Plus balls, and a durable carry bag, making it an excellent value for beginners looking to get into the game. Currently, Amazon offers this set at a discounted price of $48, down from the original $70, providing an affordable entry point into pickleball. For more advanced players or those interested in a different experience, Selkirk also offers the SLK Atlas Max Pickleball Bundle, which includes 2 paddles, 3 balls, and a sling bag, priced at $130. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is designed to deliver a balance of power, control, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for beginner and intermediate players. Built with a fiberglass hitting surface, it offers a responsive feel with plenty of power, while the polypropylene honeycomb core ensures durability and reduces vibration for smoother play. The paddle incorporates Head's Ergo Grip technology, providing enhanced comfort and better handling during long matches. Weighing just 230 g, 8.1 ounces, it offers a lightweight design without sacrificing performance. With a grip size of 4 1/4 in and dimensions of 16 in length by 7 7/8 in width, it's perfectly balanced for teens and adults looking to elevate their pickleball game. Whether you're stepping up from beginner status or playing at a club level, the Head Radical Elite combines modern design, comfort, and reliable performance to enhance your time on the court. Number 3. Amazin Aces Pickleball Wood Paddle Set. The Amazin Aces Pickleball Wood Paddle Set is a budget-friendly option perfect for beginners, schools, community centers, or casual players who want to enjoy the game without spending much. Available in 2 paddle or 4 paddle bundles, each set includes 7-ply maplewood paddles with cushioned grips for comfort, outdoor pickleballs, and a convenient carrying bag with the smaller set. The paddles are sturdy and affordable, but like most wood paddles, they are heavier than graphite or composite models, which can lead to quicker fatigue and offer less spin and control. Priced around $25.99 for the 2 paddle set and $39.99 for the 4 paddle bundle, they deliver great value for learning and recreational play, even if they don't match the performance or finesse of higher-end paddles. Number 4. ONIX Graphite Z5 Pickleball Paddle. The ONIX Graphite Z5 Pickleball Paddle is one of the most popular paddles among players of all levels, offering a perfect balance of power, control, and maneuverability. Designed with a graphite face and a Nomex honeycomb core, it delivers excellent touch and ball control while maintaining a medium weight of 7.5 to 8.2 ounces for versatility in both speed and power. Its wide body shape, measuring 15.5 inches in length and 8.125 inches in width, provides a generous sweet spot, while the 5-inch tennis-style handle with a 4 1/4-inch cushion grip ensures comfort, spin, and control during play. The paddle also features an edge guard for durability, making it a reliable choice for aggressive players. Approved by USA Pickleball, USAPA, the Graphite Z5 is tournament-ready and trusted by competitive athletes, making it an ideal paddle for beginners through advanced players seeking consistent performance and quality. Number 5. OWL Sport Limited Founders Edition CX Paddle. The OWL Sport Limited Founders Edition CX paddle is a USAPA-approved pro tournament paddle designed for elite performance with advanced noise reduction technology, offering over 50% less sound compared to traditional paddles. Built with a 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core and a proprietary acoustine composite face, it delivers excellent control, spin, and consistency while maintaining a quieter play experience. The paddle weighs around 7.9 ounces, providing a balanced feel between power and maneuverability, while its 4.6-inch handle length and 4.13-inch grip circumference with the OWL's flight grip ensure comfort and stability during long matches. Its wide body shape, edge guard protection, and innovative quiet category certification make it ideal for players seeking both high-level performance and noise-friendly play.